So the other engine is already ready. I have found a crankshaft BAB. That means this one is a measurement B, measurement AA, and that's fine. You can feel how flat the surface is. It feels nice, it feels good, and it looks nice, so I'm not worried to use that one. I also found a plate to use, and I've cleaned those bearings here. Always put some oil in it and on it. So I feel clearance. It feels nice. That's fine. You know, this one is not the biggest problem. Clean it out. Give it some lubrication. Slide it on. Wow, it fits like a glove. I do not understand that, because a glove fits always. You know, there's a lot of movement here, don't worry about it. When you tighten this knot up, you will see the movement is gone. Press it a little bit in the middle, okay. Now you can see I can adjust that one. Oh, that's not the right one. Give me that one. Looks fine to me, and now it's located. I just cleaned all the surfaces, so there is I hope there is no any dust or sand left in the engine, but you never know. This one, give it some oil. And this time, in the earlier video, you saw me use the bolts to install the pressure plate or back plate or whatever you call it. I don't care. Now I'm going to use a hammer. First I'm going to fix it and locate it exactly above the bolts. I was just forgetting to lubricate the rounding. And now I think I may have a problem. I'm pretty sure about that. I have a problem. Maybe a big problem. Yes. I have done something stupid. Oh no. That's not going to work. I think I have to give it some slack. I'm not stopping this video because a lot of people will make the same mistake I do. What's happened, you can see there, it was not lined out with the holes. You get a pressure point there, so that one is not aligned very well. Also, I did not lubricate this section here, and that's one of the finest things to do, because it will help you. I also get it out because I use the thick parts and not the thin parts, so this one is usable again. Normally you will break it. So I have a mistake, but you learn from that, and we do it again. I do not know why I did it wrong. When you use a lot of force by installing this back plate, you will ruin your engine. You will break it in pieces. And if you like that, please do it. But now we have seen what I can do with this engine and the failure I make. So now it's in line, and I hope that it will work, but I'm not finished yet. So let me check. Yes, I feel some pressure. Now is it relieving? There comes the pressure again. Same story here. I stop. Oh, there's a lot of pressure. Now it's gone. There it goes. And then you can feel it, because you are not aligned with the big hole, and it will clamp itself. So don't use a brutal force. Be gentle, the same way you do your wife. I can hear by the sound. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. I can hear by the sound, by tapping on it, that it is in place. When you have a lot of experience, you will know. I'm working with 2 engines. The third engine is not ready. I have to take it apart. But I think I want to do first 2 engines. One frame is by the sandblaster and powder coating, so I wait that to be finished, and I hope one engine is ready then, so I can install the all things together. And then I have a good cx500. So, yes, I know. That's for my own purpose. Then I know I have done all the bolts. Wow! Yes. If that not happen, if you turn it around, it has to go like this, so smooth as possible. If it not goes very smooth, please tap it there, and also on this edge, give it some claps with a hammer. Also there, it will move in place when it is wrong. Here, I'm happy. So, 2 engine ready. But next move is I going to explain what to do with the push rods. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.